How to link PlayStation Network with Epic Games account. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this tutorial. Firstly, open up your Epic Games, whether it is the website or just open up your Epic Games launcher. Once logged in, you have to go ahead and hover on the user icon which is given at the top of your dashboard. When you hover on your username, you will find some of the options. Head to the account option. You'll be redirected to a new page that is the account setting. In your left hand side, you will see list of options. Scroll down and select on apps and account. Now from here, you need to select the option of PlayStation Network and select on the connect button. It will redirect you to a new page. Tap on Connect Account for confirmation. Now all you have to do is enter your credential of your PlayStation. That includes your email address or sign-in ID and your password. And that is how you'll be able to link your PlayStation Network with your Epic Game account. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.